Welcome to the latest Siem Reap apartment update, the series that helps future expats, retirees and digital nomads discover exactly what their budget can rent in Cambodia today. If you're thinking about moving to Cambodia, retiring overseas or becoming a digital nomad, one of the biggest questions you'll have is what can my budget actually get me? That's exactly what this monthly series is here to answer. Every month I search for apartments that have been listed within the previous 7 days, so you're seeing what's actually available right now, not properties that disappeared months ago. In today's July update, we'll be looking at apartments ranging from $150 up to $450 per month, giving you a great idea of what's available across different budgets, whether you're looking for something simple and affordable, or you'd like a few extra comforts like a swimming pool, modern kitchen or more living space. There's something here for everyone. The aim isn't necessarily to recommend one apartment over another, it's to help you judge whether your own budget is realistic before making the move to Siem Reap. So grab a drink, sit back and let's see what your money can rent in Siem Reap this month. Let's start with the most affordable apartment in this month's Siem Reap rental update. At just $150 per month, this is the kind of property that will catch the attention of anyone planning to move to Cambodia, retire in Siem Reap, or live here as a digital nomad on a budget. It's located around 3 kilometers from Siem Reap city centre and the old market, so you're close enough to enjoy the restaurants, cafes and nightlife, while being far enough away to escape some of the hustle and bustle when it's time to relax. Inside you'll find a comfortable air-conditioned bedroom, complete with a wardrobe and your own private balcony, perfect for enjoying a morning coffee or an evening drink after a day exploring the city. And yes, having air conditioning in Cambodia isn't really a luxury, it's more of a survival strategy. The apartment also includes a private bathroom with a hot water shower and a Western style toilet, making it a familiar and comfortable setup for most international visitors and expats. One feature I really like at this price point is the separate kitchen. You've got a gas stove and a refrigerator included, so if you prefer cooking at home rather than eating out every day, you've already got the essentials ready to go. There are a couple of other nice bonuses too. Free Wi-Fi is included in the rent, which is great whether you're working remotely, streaming your favourite shows or keeping in touch with family back home. There's also free parking for both cars and motorbikes, something that's well worth having if you decide to explore more of Siem Reap province or even venture further around Cambodia. Overall, for $150 a month, this apartment offers a lot of value. It's clean, practical, has everything you need for day-to-day living, and could be an excellent option for anyone looking for affordable accommodation in Siem Reap without stretching the budget. Our next apartment takes us to the popular Wat Bo area of Siem Reap, one of the city's most sought after neighbourhoods for expats, retirees and digital nomads. The location is definitely one of the biggest selling points here. You're only around 800 metres from the old market and the riverside, so cafes, restaurants, supermarkets and pub street are all within easy walking distance. That's a real bonus if you'd rather leave the motorbike at home and explore the city on foot. As we step inside, you're greeted by a modern fitted kitchen, complete with a refrigerator and gas stove, giving you everything you need to cook at home. There's also a handy breakfast bar which creates a nice divide between the kitchen and the living space, while still keeping everything feeling open and airy. The living area is simple but comfortable with a sofa and coffee table, providing a nice place to unwind after a day exploring Siem Reap. Or, let's be honest, recovering after deciding that one more meal at the night market was definitely a good idea. The bedroom is surprisingly spacious with air conditioning to keep you cool, a good sized wardrobe for storage and a large window that lets in plenty of natural light. Bright apartments always seem to feel that little bit bigger, and this one certainly benefits from that. The bathroom has everything you'd expect, including a Western style toilet, wash basin and shower. But there's also something you don't often see in apartments at this price point, a bathtub. That was a pleasant surprise, and if you enjoy a relaxing soak now and then, it's a feature that could really set this apartment apart from others in a similar price range. Finally, there's a small private balcony. It might not be somewhere you'd host a dinner party, but it's perfect for drying your laundry, getting a bit of fresh air, or simply stepping outside with a morning coffee before the Cambodian heat really kicks in. Overall, this apartment offers a great combination of location, comfort and practicality. Being so close to Siem Reap city centre while offering modern features and that unexpected bathtub makes it well worth considering if you're planning to live in Cambodia or are searching for an apartment in Siem Reap. Our next apartment comes in at $200 per month, and if you're looking for an affordable place to live in Siem Reap that's close to everything, this one is definitely worth a look. The location is another strong point. You're only around 5 minutes from Angkor Market and about 7 minutes from Pub Street, putting supermarkets, restaurants, cafes and the heart of Siem Reap within easy reach. Whether you're living here full time, retiring in Cambodia or spending a few months as a digital nomad, convenience like this can make everyday life much easier. Inside the apartment has a comfortable living area with sofa and coffee table, giving you a nice space to relax after a day exploring the temples or working from your laptop. It's simple, welcoming and feels like somewhere you could quickly make your own. Leading off the living room is the air-conditioned bedroom, which comes with a large bed, wardrobe and television. Free Wi-Fi is also included, so whether you're streaming your favourite series, making video calls back home or getting some work done, you're ready to go from day one. The kitchen is well equipped too, along with a refrigerator and gas stove. You also get something that isn't always included in apartments at this price: a washing machine. That could save you both time and money, especially if you're planning to stay in Siem Reap for the long term. There's also a dining table and chairs, making it a practical space for meals or even doubling up as a workspace if needed. The bathroom has been nicely finished and includes a Western style toilet, hot shower and wash basin, giving it a clean and modern feel. One feature that really stood out to me is that this apartment has 2 balconies. It's always nice to have a bit of outdoor space, and having 2 gives you extra flexibility. One could be perfect for drying laundry, while the other becomes your little spot for a coffee in the morning or somewhere to sit as the day begins to cool down. Outside there's also a garden area and dedicated parking, adding a little extra to what is already a very good value apartment. When you put everything together, the location, free Wi-Fi, washing machine, 2 balconies, garden and parking, it's easy to see why this apartment offers excellent value at just $200 a month. For anyone searching for an affordable apartment in Siem Reap, this is certainly one that deserves a place on the shortlist. We'll finish this month's apartment update with another 1-bedroom apartment, and this one could be a great option if you're looking for a quieter place to live without giving up the convenience of being close to the centre of Siem Reap. It's located in a peaceful area, just 5-minute walk from the old market, which is an excellent location. You'll have cafes, restaurants, supermarkets, the riverside and Pub Street all within easy walking distance. But you'll be able to come home to somewhere that's a little more relaxed at the end of the day. One of the things I really like about this apartment is the layout. Rather than everything being in one open space, you have separate rooms for the bedroom, living room and kitchen, which gives the apartment a much more spacious feel and makes it feel more like a home than just somewhere to sleep. The bedroom is fitted with air conditioning and a good sized wardrobe, providing plenty of storage while keeping you comfortable during those warmer Cambodian days and nights. The modern kitchen is well equipped with a gas stove, refrigerator and washing machine, so you've got everything you need for everyday living. There's also a dining table and chairs, making it an ideal place to enjoy meals, catch up on a bit of work or simply plan your next adventure around Cambodia. Moving into the living room, you'll find a comfortable sofa, creating a nice space to relax with a film, read a book or simply put your feet up after a day out exploring Siem Reap. Free Wi-Fi is included, so staying connected for work, entertainment or keeping in touch with family won't be a problem. Step outside and you'll find a private balcony complete with a table and chairs. It's a lovely little spot to enjoy your morning coffee, have breakfast outdoors, or simply sit and watch the world go by as the evening cools down. The property also includes parking, which is always a very useful extra if you have a motorbike or a car. Overall, this apartment strikes a really nice balance between location, space and comfort. Being just a short walk from the old market while offering separate living areas, modern facilities and a peaceful setting makes it an attractive choice for anyone looking to rent an apartment in Siem Reap. Whether you're planning to retire in Cambodia, relocate as an expat or spend a few months here as a digital nomad. And that's it for this month's Siem Reap apartment update. I hope it's given you a clearer idea of what your budget can rent here in Cambodia and helps you plan your move with a little more confidence. If you're thinking about becoming an expat, retiring in Cambodia or making the move as a digital nomad, don't forget that I upload these apartment updates every month featuring properties that have been listed within the previous 7 days. So if you haven't quite found the right place today, make sure you come back next month because the market is always changing. If you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate if you could give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and share it with anyone who's thinking about moving to Cambodia. It really does help the channel grow and it allows more people to find these videos. I'd also love to hear from you in the comments. Which apartment was your favourite and what sort of monthly budget are you planning for if you're considering a move to Siem Reap? Finally, if you'd like to support the channel and help me continue making these videos, you can do so by using the super thanks button or buying me a coffee using the link below. Every bit of support is genuinely appreciated and it helps me keep bringing you up-to-date information from here in Cambodia. Thank you so much for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.